Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, all of you. Okay, last class we just started our new chapter Kerala Land, People, Rain. Okay, so in this class we are going to study more about Kerala. Types of soils in Kerala. We can see what are the importance of this soil. Yes, soil we use for several purposes. Our Kerala is very much the fortunate in the case of the soil. Comparing with Tamil Nadu, our neighboring state, we are very much lucky in the case of the soil, and we are the land that embraced the agriculture. In Kerala, we can see there are the four types of soil. The first one, alluvial soil. You know alluvial soil? Alluvial soil mainly locate on the river bank. It is the most fertile soil in India. In the case of Kerala, we can see we are fortunate with 44 rivers. So the river bank soil most watered and most fertile for the agriculture. The second one is forest soil. We have plenty of forest. In this forest region, we can see a lot of the forest soil. Forest soil also mainly using for the agriculture. We can see Ooty, then Idukki area. Then next one, laterite soil. Laterite soil is the most important soil in our Kerala. Large parts of land we can see laterite soil. Laterite soil is just like the red soil. Its color is very reddish. Okay, so the laterite soil also we can see the mainly important in different part of Kerala. The next one is red soil. Red soil in the color of red. We can see that why its color always be red. Can you say? Its color always red because of its content of iron. So these are the four important soil mainly we can see in Kerala. Major crops in Kerala. Do you know Kerala? We have commonly some important crops according to the climatical condition of the Kerala that we already discussed. Can you say what is the main important climatical advantages in Kerala? Yes, rainfall. Comparing with the neighboring state, we get the advantages annual rainfall that make the plenty and the richness of our agricultural sector. The main important crops in Kerala, the first one is that paddy. Paddy cultivation, we can see main important locations of the paddy cultivation in Kuttanadu, then Palakkad. These are the main important regions in Kerala for importance of the paddy cultivation. It is very important part of our daily food items. The next one is that coconut, and our Kerala name we got from the Keram. Keram in Malayalam Keram, that means coconut. Coconut trees is the salient features of the Kerala. That is the renamed the Kerala. So the coconut is another important the major crops that cultivate in Kerala. So the next one, tapioca. Tapioca is a common the pulse crops that mainly locate in the different regions in Kerala. So then next one is that one important vegetables, the elephant food that is commonly used and the common vegetables in Kerala, as well as the yam also mainly cultivate in the different regions according to the climatical conditions, and in this side the widely available in our okay. Dear students, let us discuss about physiography in Kerala. In Kerala regions, we generally divided into three physiographic layers. First one high, second one midland, third one lowland. Okay, we can see While we travel throughout the different part of Kerala, we can see these three kinds characteristics of the landform. First one highland, second one midland, and third one lowland. Okay, so Kerala we can see that highland, it is the part of Sahyadri region. Highland is the mountain part of Kerala. We can see Idukki, Wayanad are example. Okay, rain, mist and cool are the three important features of the highland. When we reach in highland, we feel rain, mist, cool, and Idukki, Munnar, Wayanad, these are the main important localities that locate in the highland part of Kerala. What are the specialities is the first one temperature below 30 degree, rainfall, well drained soil are the importance. Okay. And what are the main important agricultural crops in highland? Can you say? When you travel into Wayanad, Idukki, Munnar region, you can see a lot of important agricultural crops. These crops are entirely different from the other part of Kerala. Okay, what are you observing in the picture? Please look. Yes, tea and coffee. So, what are the major crops in Highland? Yes, we can see that tea, coffee, cardamom, ginger, rubber, and pepper. These are etc. etc. These are the main important. Okay. So these locations are the centers of the foreigners. Several foreigners are coming to our Kerala, being away and to feel these kinds of a good climatical conditions, and in order to enjoy this geographical location, the destination in our Kerala. That's about the highland. Okay, next one, mid